That's room.
Will there be enough room? You're right. And what's on the next page?
Uppercase A, lowercase, uppercase B.
Can you spell out your name?
Do we do N?
In your name? No.
And your name.
Oh, in my, you can spell my name. M.
N.
No, M.
Oh, I don't see it.
Uppercase M,
Ah.
uppercase O, uppercase M.
Spells what, Chloe?
What's that?
What does that spell?
Bam.
That's right. Good job.